Alright, here's a quick class. Fuck. Alright, here's a quick class on what the interior car looks like and where your evaporator and shit is. So there's your dash right there, cluster there, radio there, glove box there. That's what the dash looks like. That whole thing just comes off just like that. Random other pieces, that's what they all look like when you take them out. Inside of the car, here is what it looks like when your dash is unplugged. You got all your wires going, everything. This is your crash bar here. This is so when you get in a wreck, all this shit doesn't come forward and kill you. Also gives it more stability from the front colliding in. Crash bar, it's for crashes. 2 bolts go there, 2 bolts go here, or however many bolts. And then you usually have one to the front right there that you take off where your wipers are and shit. Take that off, there's another bolt holding it in there. That will then come forward and you can get to the evaporator box, which is right here. Usually it's connected to the blower motor box, actually always connected, but sometimes they disconnect. You can take this one out first. Sometimes like this one, they stay as one piece. You gotta remove the whole thing. Here's your blower motor right here. This little piece, this right here, there's your cabin filter, but don't worry, you don't gotta take all this shit off to get to that. Usually your glove box will you pull your glove box down, however it detaches, and like maybe push the sides, the glove box will open more than it normally does and fall down, and then you can get to this cover from right there. But here's your blower motor, cabin filter, recirc door, and there's your evaporator box. Here's the AC lines that run in through there, right outside under the hood. Then on this side, actually this one's reversed. Those are the heater core hoses, and there's the heater core right here, and over here are your AC lines. That little fluffy thing right there, that's the AC lines going out, and those run into the evaporator that way. Normally it's the other way around, but this one's flipped. So you disconnect that from the hood, your heater core hoses, disconnect the AC lines on that end, and then this whole piece is the crash bar will be a little forward, it won't be in the way, and this whole piece will. And I made that video and said all that just to say that your boy is getting real fucking good at taking these dashes and evaporators apart. Gang gang.